guys, today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy tacos al pastor. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, we're going to begin by making our marinade. To our bowl, add the pineapple juice, the white vinegar, salt. I'm using 1 tablespoon. Going to add our achiote along with all of our spices. And here we're just going to mix it. And here you can taste it for salt or any of the spices and see if you need to adjust it. Make sure that you break down the achiote. Once we have our marinade, we're going to add our ground meat. I'm using ground beef, but of course you can always use ground pork or ground chicken. Now just mix it in with the marinade and make sure that it is completely coated. Okay, now to that I'm also going to be adding some pineapple chunks. Now just mix it and allow it to marinate for at least 10 minutes. Okay, and after at least 10 minutes, we can now get ready to take it to the stove. We're going to heat up a little bit of oil on our skillet over medium-high heat. Once it's nice and hot, add the onion. And we're just going to saute it for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to add our meat. And you can do this step in batches. Just begin to break it down and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes or until the meat is fully cooked. Okay, and after 7 minutes, our meat is done. So now we're just going to move it to the side so we can heat up our tortillas. Okay, and once we have our tortillas, we can now get ready to serve. Alright guys, and once we have our tacos, I like to squeeze a little lime juice, top them with some onion, cilantro, and of course, our salsa verde. But just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously very affordable, super easy, and very quick. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's al pastor flavor with the ground meat. So flavorful, so delicious. Alright guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious tacos al pastor. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.